Okay, today we're going to talk about assigning multiple products or inventory items to one customer invoice line. In the past in QFloors, it was only possible to on one invoice line to assign one product to fulfill that order. So what that meant is, let's say that you had three different pad products or inventory items, one with 10 yards, one with 50 yards, and one with 100 yards. In order to use all that pad up, you would have to create three different invoice lines on one customer invoice and assign one of those products to each of the lines, or three different lines. There were some other things that you could do too, but it took multiple steps. Now in QFloors it's possible to assign more than one inventory item to an invoice line, and let me show you how you do that. If you come to a product here, and you can see that we have multiples here. There's 1,000 square feet on this order. Some, if we selected like the 2232, that would fulfill the order. The 1800 would, and the 1600. But let's say I wanted to use the smaller piece first and then choose one of the larger ones. If I select an item that is less than the amount needed, so that's important. If it's less than, this is 339 and I need 1,000 square feet, when I select it, a new window will pop up. If you selected one of the other ones that was more, the window will not pop up. So if you're wondering how to get to this window, you have to select an amount that is less than the amount needed. Then you'll see a couple of things here. As I click around, the quantity here changes, and what this quantity is it's the amount that will be used off of this roll to fulfill this order. So you could even say a lesser amount, but let's just start with the 339 here. I need 1,000 square feet. I'm going to add my product, and when I do, it's going to add it over here to this side. Okay, you'll notice that the amount that I now need, the quantity remaining, was reduced by this amount right here. Let's go to another product, and you can see we need 661 square feet now. Let's say that we only take 400 off of this product. Okay, so I put in a quantity of 400 that I'm going to take off the 1800, and I put that over here. So you can see that there's still 1400 left on that product, and I only need 261 square feet now to go. Let's take that off of another product. We'll just take the amount remaining. I add that. So now you can see that there's 0 square feet remaining, and we're going to fulfill this order with three different inventory items, three different rolls, so to speak. Okay, and now when I push save and close, you'll see that instead of having an inventory number here, it says split. This one over here has an inventory number 9. But if there are multiples assigned to a line, it will say split instead of the inventory number. And if you double click on it, you can go back and you will be able to see what was assigned to that order, and you can make modifications if you want. Notice that if I wanted to take this one off right here, I just remove product, and now it shows that I still have 339 square feet left to go that I have to use to fulfill this order. So let's come back and let's just put that one right back on, and now we're down to 0 again. I push save and close, and that's it. So that's how this new feature works. It's pretty neat, huh? That's it.